Welcome to my channel, Byte Tech. How to download a APK file to a PC. Open any browser and open page https://play.google.com. Choose an application or game and click on it. Change play.google.com to apk-dl.com. Click on the button Download APK File. Click on the button Start Download. Open the folder with the file. Here is the downloaded file. In this way, you can download any program and game. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to receive new video notifications, subscribe to my channel. If you have suggestions on a topic that interests you, write in the comments below this video. If you like my videos and would like to support me, you can buy me a coffee here.